Or you keep getting unable to join on any iPhone after the recent iOS update, even though you are entering the right password for the Wi-Fi. Solving the unable to join on iPhone takes only a few steps to solve the problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve your issues on your iPhone. Solution 2. Turn off the restriction for Wi-Fi. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down again, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn off this option from here. Solution 3. Reset the Wi-Fi network. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down again, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, tap Network Settings, tap Reset Network. After following these processes, please make sure you're entering the password and be sure to check them before you press join. After that, your problem will be solved. If you still have any issues with your iPhone's Wi-Fi, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.